Okay, hi guys. So today we're going to be doing the HiLo game in Python. It's a fairly beginner-friendly challenge that you can do when you're learning Python. Essentially, it's a game where you guess a number between 1 and 10. If it's not the number and it's too high, it will tell you to guess lower, and if it's too low, it will tell you to guess higher until you guess the number correctly. So yeah, let's get started. First, we're going to import random module. Then we're going to define the highest number. Let's make it 10. How are we going to get the answer? Equals, I can't spell, random integer 1 to 10. You can make this 100, 1000, doesn't matter. And then we're just going to test it out to see if it actually works. So print answer. Let's check. 5 over there and 8. Okay, we know it's working. Now we're going to add an if statement. If, oh wait, no, we actually have to get the input first. I'm going too fast. So let's call it user guess. You can call this whatever you want. You can call it fluffy. It really doesn't matter. Int input, and then please guess a number between 1 and curly brace dot format and highest. So now if you change this to 100, it will automatically be or automatically change here to 1 in 100 or 1 in 1000, and you must also change it here. Okay, cool. So this is where the user is going to enter their guess the first time. Now we're going to add an if statement. So if user guess is equal to answer, if they get really lucky, they get it first try, then we're going to tell them, well done, you got it first try. Cool. Then Aleph, that's else. Aleph, user guess greater than answer. We're going to tell the people, or the user, sorry, please guess lower. Cool. Now you can do this again and tell them to guess higher, like, and just invert it, or you can literally just go else print please guess higher. Okay, cool. So this is for the first time, and you may be wondering, well, how is it gonna guess again and again? It's no while loop, it's just gonna go once. Yes. Now we're gonna add a while loop. So if the person gets it first time, it goes through that. If they don't guess it, it's gonna enter the while loop. So we're gonna go while user guess is not equal to answer. Gotta ask them to guess again. Int input. There we go. And now we're gonna add the if statement. So if user guess is equal to answer. You didn't get it first time, but you still got it this time, so well done. So we will just say, well done, you got it. Or you can say, well done, you finally got it. It's totally up to you. And we're basically going to repeat this, so you can actually just copy what we did earlier there and paste it. Oh, well, the formatting is going to be wrong, so just make sure you fix that. There we go. And you are basically done now. We're going to add more stuff now, but let's just test it out. So the number's 6. Let's just guess 9 to see. Please guess lower. 8. Lower. Okay, I've got to guess really low. 3. Oh, guess higher. 6. Well done, you got it. So now, let me just show you when you guess it right first time. So let's say we get lucky and you guess 8. Boom, well done, you got it first try. As soon as you don't get it, guess it right here, it moves on and goes here and just repeats itself over and over until you get it. And that's actually bad, so we should add a way for the user to exit if they don't want to continue guessing. They don't want to be stuck in the while loop. So let's say 0, oh my bad, break. And now you can just add a little message saying or hit 0 to exit, or hit 0 to exit. Cool. And that's it. So now, if we don't get it first try and you get bored of guessing, you can just hit 0. Now, if you make this 100 or 1000, let's make it 100. You can do the binary search algorithm or method, and that is basically what you do is you guess half every time. So let's guess 50. Okay, cool. We know it's not lower than 50. Now let's guess 75. Okay, cool. We know it's not lower than 75. So now we can go to 90. Oh, guess lower. So now we know it's between 75 and 90. So it's probably somewhere around 80, and it is, if you can see there. We're just showing that there so you guys can see it. And let's go, what, 89. Lower. Okay, I'm gonna go 79. No, higher. Okay, let's go 85. Cool, you got it. Now, if you apply this binary search method, you can guess, like, for example, any number between 1000 in under 10 guesses. So if it's 1000, you can, and you do this correctly, it will take you less than 10 guesses or 10 guesses. Just a cool little thing I thought I'd tell you guys. But yeah, that's basically it. If you have a better way of doing this, just comment it down below and everyone can benefit from that. And yeah, thank you.